Hi all, we've ran into a little bit of a hiccup in lesson 2B, which is our cutting board project. So as you work on the document, you're pretty much just going to be moving and shifting all of these vegetables over, and you're going to be putting them onto the cutting board. In addition to that, you have this logo. The logo you're going to need to select, do a copy and paste to create a new layer. And then from there, you need to change the color. Now, originally you were able to do step 31, where you could go in and you could just do image adjustments, invert. Unfortunately, now there's been an update, and it is taking that whole entire area and it's turning it black. So your resolve for that is I'm going to have you go into Photoshop, and you can see here I've already gone in and I've made a copy of my logo, so you can see that here. Okay, and I'm going to leave this logo here just so you guys can see it, so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, and I'm going to delete this too. Okay, so you should have something that looks like this. You should probably also have like 10 more different layers for yourself to be working from. So of course, right now, just focus on that. We're working on that logo layer, all right? So you want that logo layer selected. So you want to highlight that in blue. And then you're gonna come up, you're gonna do image, adjustments, hue and saturation. Now, this isn't going to get it exactly perfect how it is in the assignment, but sometimes when things change throughout programs, we need to figure out some other problem-solving techniques. So you can come in here, and just like with the Stella picture or your own picture that you did, you can come in and you can mess around with the various hue and saturations, and go ahead and make it a color change that you think think will fit you best. Okay, so you can mess with all of these. Obviously, lightness and darkness, probably not going to have to do a lot with that. You can come in here. There's a little drop down. You can also mess with other various colors too. Now, there's not a lot of yellow in there, so yeah, you can go from there. So again, just to recap, you have your logo selected. You'll go to Image, Adjustments, and then Hue and Saturation, and then you can go ahead and do your color change from there. I hope this clarifies anything or any questions that you guys have, and keep on bringing those questions on over. Have a great day, guys.